I know. Oh God, I just get so emotional when I talk about PostFly box. God, it's like an endless stream of tears. Wow, that'll wake the dead. Does it look like I'm crying? Hey guys, and welcome to another Red Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're gonna be checking out PostFly box. PostFly is a monthly subscription box that provides fly fishing gear and flies directly to your doorstep every month. I think that's a pretty neat thing. But I mean, you know, it's not always your doorstep, because if you have an apartment building, you might have a lobby situation, then it would go there. Or like P.O. box could go there, right Josh? He agrees with me. PostFly was originally started when the founders wanted to get into fly fishing but didn't really know how to start. They didn't really have the tools or the resources to figure out what they needed, and this is pretty much something that they wish they had. Nothing really like it existed, so they went ahead and put it together. It's that simple. A lot of the gear and the things that are included in PostFly is stuff that not only seasoned fly fishers would need, but especially people starting out who are building their array of flies. Obviously, when you start out, you have nothing, so it's nice to kind of get things to build up over time. And fly fishing requires a ton of equipment outside of just having a rod. PostFly gives you an opportunity to build out all the gear you need over time, so you're not just overloading yourself with things that you don't necessarily need yet. And their boxes include some things that someone new might not even think to get. PostFly actually gives you the flies that you need in real time based off of species, time of year, and location. To take that even further, they give you some info and some tips based off of the gear you get, so you know what you got and why you got it. Got it? But we're here to look at some gear. So let's check out this box. It's a nice, beautiful box. This right here is the PostFly Guide Series box. It's a fancy one. The box actually is really, really beautiful. It's got topographic stuff on it. There's like an eagle thing. It's a fly. It is fly. All right, see? In the Guide Series box, we have a fly guide. This is your encyclopedia. It basically has all the tips, tricks, and information about what you have in the box and some extra pointers to get started. You have your fly kit here. This has all the flies you would need for this time of year. Each of the flies are hand-picked, and they do rotate, as I mentioned before, based off of season and the species of fish you're going after and location. Got some sticker. This is perfect. Well, it's a sticker. You can stick it on things, and it is a little shiny. This one says River Vibes, and you get a different sticker in every box. They're all custom made. They include a new leader size to fish the flies included in the box. And lastly, you get bonus gear. In this box, we have a light clip, perfect to put on a hat or just hang on a shirt, basically give you hands-free light. Tippet rings, the knot needle, which is a fly fishing knot tying tool. 20th take it took me to say that in a row. It's a tongue twister to say that. And lastly, a bandana, good to keep you warm on the river. The gear in the box regularly rotates, so you do get a ton of different stuff, and they do mix in some larger brands and some lesser known brands in there too. Plus, you can pause, switch, and cancel your subscription anytime. If you're taking a fly fishing sabbatical when ski season starts or mountain bike season starts, or you just want a break from it all, you can do it. Super easy. You just hit pause or cancel and then resubscribe, whatever you want to do, get back into it. Lastly, this product would make an excellent gift. It is that time of the year after all. I mean, it's already in a box, so you're basically halfway there. And it's a really nice box. Wait for it. It's a good pun. Well played, PostFly. Getting into something new that's gear dependent can be a little intimidating. PostFly makes it super easy and accessible to get into fly fishing while giving you all the tools you need to get started. That's it for our first look of PostFly's Guide Series subscription box. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought about this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can get those notifications. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another Red Yeti First Look coming at you next week.